In this video, we're going to go over how to sort records in a found set. So once you've found a group of records, you may want to view them, let's say, in order by name. So you can choose the sort button from the toolbar. Now you'll notice that the names of the fields that appear here on the left are the actual names that we use in the database. They don't always correspond necessarily with what you would expect or as they're labeled on the screen. So I'll show you how you can decipher what the actual names of the fields are here in just a moment. But we found the owner's name, so we're just going to sort by name and execute that, and they'll all be sorted alphabetically by name. You can also change the sort order. You notice that right now it's in ascending, so that's A to Z. You can choose descending orders. So let's go over how to decipher the field names. For example, the field owner name is not labeled exactly the same as what you saw in the sort order. Rather, it's just labeled owner. So if you want to decipher or find out what the actual names of the fields are, click on the Edit Layout button at the top right, and then double click on the field you're interested in sorting by. An inspector tool will open up, and you can scroll down to see what the name of the field is that's highlighted, and that'll tell you the actual database name of that field you're trying to sort by. It's a little bit of extra work, but it's a time saver. If you go through that extra step, you can actually determine what the name of the field is that we use for the database. So if this is a button that you're going to use quite often, you'll probably want to predefine the sort order so that you don't have to customize it every time you use it. Let me show you how to do that. This button is actually tied to what's called a script in FileMaker Pro. It's basically just a set of commands that's told to operate when you trigger the script by clicking on a button. So what we're going to do is we're going to modify the script associated with that button. Sounds complicated, but it's really easy. It's just point and click. So what we're going to do is use the scripts pull-down menu at the top of the FileMaker Pro toolbar, and we're going to choose Script Workspace. Now you'll have access now to the scripts that we've set up that are modifiable by the end user. They're under the folder scripts that are scripts that can be modified by the customer. The script we're talking about here is the custom sort order, and this is the step that it's being told to perform: sort the records. Right now there's no sort order specified, so we're going to click on the little gear icon and specify the sort order. And now anything you drag over will show up automatically every time you pull the trigger for that script. Let's go down to owner's name. I may have already passed it. Here we go. Select owner's name, move that over. Official number, we'll move that over too. And remember, you can change the order in which they're sorted. And just as a reminder too, the order that they're sorted in, if a field that you've chosen to sort by is blank, like it may be the length or the documentation number, that sort order, if it's a 0 or blank field, is going to be read as a null value, and it's going to be put at the top of the sort order, just so you're aware of that. So we'll say OK, and now we can exit the script workspace, and it will be asked if you want to save your changes. We'll save them, and now every time you execute that button, your sort order will automatically appear.